Alright guys, welcome to another session of today's tutorial. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to blur icons. You can see this icon over here. I want it on this design, but it's not looking sharp. So I have to blur it, introduce the blur effect. So the app we are going to be using is going to be PSCC. Photoshop PSCC, yeah. Okay, let me just search for it. Yeah, this is the app we are going to be using. Right, just bring in your image from gallery. Okay, yeah. So this is the icon. So want to blur it. So just click on this FX effect, and you click on directional blur. Yeah, just click on directional blur. Okay, you can position it to any angle you want. Go to the size. So you manually increase it. You can see so you just increase it manually to the perfect way you want it. You can also click on check. Okay, you can also go to Gaussian blur. Also increase it. Depends on how you want it. I think it's good like this. Okay, perfect. So you click on done, and you click on this export icon. Then you tap on the image you want to save. You want to save this, you tap on it. Sorry about that. Click on the export icon, click save to gallery. Then you tap the image you want to save. You save it as PNG. Click on OK. Alright, I've saved it. So let's go back to our design. Just delete this icon. Just bring in, yeah, uh, this is it. You can see the outcome. It's not looking blurry. So just position it so you can see it's giving the design one kind of vibe, one kind of feeling. You can go to your color filters to adjust it to the color you want. Alright, you can see the outcome. So that's how to blur images. That's how to blur icons, images, or anything using PSCC. There are also other ways you can blur this icon. For example, we can use photo room. Yes, we can use photo room. So just bring in the icon. Wait for it to load. Okay. After that, click on transparent. Alright, you click on the icon itself. Then you click on, just scroll down, then you look for blur to enable it. Yeah, you can see various blur option. So you just pick out the preferred one you want. I think this is good. You can increase or reduce it here. Okay, so that's all for photo. You can also use Snapseed. Yeah, Snapseed. Yes, just bring in the icon. So you click on tools. Just look for the blur option. Okay, lens blur. You can see it's lens blur. Yeah, lens blur. Just click on it. So click on this tool over here. You click on transition, click on blood strength, yeah, blood strength, increase it, increase it. But I actually prefer using PSCC or Photorum to for the blur effect, because once you use Snapseed for the blur effect, it will not save it as PNG. So you have to go and remove the background again. And when you remove the background, the icon will not look sharp like the way you want it. So that is all for how to blur icons and images on your smartphone. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Always remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. Alright, see you guys in the next tutorial.